Are you one of those parents who teach maths to their children? If yes, then this video is for you. Often you must have heard the parents of children saying that their marks were reduced in maths due to silly mistakes. What are these silly mistakes? The most basic concepts in maths are plus, minus, multiplication and division. If your child makes mistakes in doing these basic things, then he will start getting scared of maths. While solving tough and complicated questions of maths, the whole calculation can get ruined due to a small mistake made in plus, minus, multiplication and division. Parents of such children often expect the teacher to give marks for steps, which does not happen every time. How to get rid of these silly mistakes? The answer to this is very simple: practice. A few questions given in your children's syllabus books are not enough to get rid of these silly mistakes. To make your children perfect in plus, minus, multiplication and division, you should give him a lot of such questions to practice and then check them. This work that I am asking you to do is easy to say but difficult to do. This is because if you give your children even 10 questions of plus minus to do and then check them, then at least your 15 minutes are wasted. And if you give more questions or more questions of multiplication and division, then this time will become an hour. To avoid this wastage of time, you can use your phone. Go to the website named brahmagyan.in and click on Mathematics in its top menu. Now a page named Maths Online Free Practice will open in front of you. As you can see on this page, there is a list of some mathematical skills. In the basic mathematical skills, there is just plus minus, basic plus minus, advanced plus minus, just multiply, divide, and some advanced skills. First we'll go to just plus and minus. On this page, you will need to enter a username and password of your choice so that your results can be saved for future purpose. Here I am using the name testing and the password some number, and then submit. Now it's saying welcome testing and start quiz. Now as here you can say the first question is 660 minus 30. Here I am writing the answer 630 and then clicking on evaluate. Now we have to scroll down and here you can say that this answer is correct. Now in the next question, the question is 228 plus 758. I'm writing a wrong answer and I am writing 900. And when I click on evaluate, as you can see here the answer is wrong and the correct answer is 986. It tells this thing instantly. So here you can do infinite number of questions, as many as you want, and then when you click on stop quiz, it will stop asking further questions, and it will also give you option to save your answers in the form of a PDF file. You can use this PDF file to show to your parent or to your tutor or to your teacher. Now if we go to the basic plus and minus, you can start it without entering any username or password as well. Now here you can say that now it's asking what is the result when you add 133 to 289. It's a word problem of addition. If we go to advanced plus minus and start the quiz. Now here the question is, if Ravina has 481 rupees and she borrows 409 rupees from her friend but then pays back 85 rupees, how much money does she have now? Here the concepts are just plus and minus, but it's a little bit complicated. Now if we go to just multiply, it's a standard 3 thing and start the quiz. Now it's asking simple multiplication questions. If we go to just divide, Here it will ask you the division questions. 2280 divided by 5. It will ask you the word problems as well as with the symbol of division as well. It will save your time, especially time of parents. Now if we look at some advanced skills, here decimal numbers, LCM, HCF, unit conversion and fractions questions. Here the last section is the mental math section, which is my favorite one. Any student of class 1 to class 12 can use it to improve his mathematical abilities. There are different levels, level 2, level 1, level 2 and level 3, and you can choose any level and then number of questions that you want to attempt, 10 questions, 20 questions or 50 questions at a time, and then click on start to start the test. Here the first question that comes here is the series question. Next question is 6 cubes have how many faces? As you can see, these are a little bit tougher questions. Adding dash to 9 sets of 1 equals this thing. All these questions are a little bit tougher than simple plus minus. So it involves a little bit more mental skills. You can use it from your smartphone as well as from your laptop or desktop. You can use this short URL to access this page, that is bit.ly/mathspractice. Now the best part of this web application is that you can check the result anytime, anywhere using this link. When you open this page the very first time, it will ask you to accept some simple things and then it will take you to the login page. Here you will need to enter the same username and password that you used while solving the questions. Just click on save and then it will open a web page where you will find all the questions solved by your kid or by you yourself. As you can see here that the correct answers are marked in green color while the wrong answers are marked in red color. So the best thing about this results page is that you can just check out only those questions where your kid is lacking, where he or she is making mistakes. There are different tabs on the bottom part of this application. As you can see, the first is just test results, second is question and answers. It includes every question that he or she is attempting. If you go to wrongs tab, then it will just show only those questions where the answer is wrong, and the latest solved wrong question is the first one here. It will show the date and time when the question is attempted and how much time was spent in solving this question. Time plays an important role when it comes to exams. This thing works in real time, so even if your kid is attempting these questions on his device, then you can access this results page on your device to check it on real time that what he or she is doing. This is the shortcut URL to access this result page. It is bit.ly/mathsresult. I hope that it will help all the parents in teaching maths to their kids, and it will save a lot of time of yours. Thank you very much.